big benefits and assets that Ugandan football has is year on year we're seeing more and more players develop to a high competitive level. You look every year, every transfer window, there's half a dozen players moving from Uganda to top African leagues or even into European football, and this shows you the competitive level. 60% of the Uganda Premier League is under 23, and that again shows you the talent that we have coming through. And with the Cranes, you've seen that we're not afraid to give young talent its opportunity. If they're ready, doesn't matter if you're 18 or 38, as long as you're ready and you have the quality to help us perform and help us win football matches. And you saw that in the recent African Cup of Nations games, where we gave debuts to young boys like Alan Okello. But then even recently in the regional Sekafa tournament, our team, you look at the lineup of home-based players, and most players are 19, 20, 18, 21. There was the occasional